Right, before I start this next video, I just thought I'd give you a little bit of a quick insight. It's a bit of a strange little video. I did it down at Donkey Creek Caravan site near Frettleton, near Preston, which I do mention obviously on the video. And I went down to see some of the fellow YouTubers that were on there, and also my two little favourites, well, my three little favourite YouTubers is Hey Ho Here We Tow. That's Aaron and David and Lester. And the trouble was, we got that really busy chattering. We were going to do a bit of a video, and I think David started one with me, and it just sort of just broke down really. But we've agreed that we're going to do something again, and do it properly. But it was like a case of really coming across and seeing him, and I'm looking at the site, because although I live about sort of 15 miles away, I've never seen that site at all, at Frettleton there. I was going to do another video if I'd have had the chance, but time was again running out, of an old time caravan factory at Frettleton, actually, only about half a mile down from where the site was, and that was a company called Fleetwood Caravans, and they were made down on Naze Lane Industrial Estate at Frettleton from about 1967 up to about 1980, making statics as well as tourers, and the odd motorhome as well. And I wanted to do something on that, but time goes. It would have been great to have had David and taken David and Irene down to where the factory would have been. We could have had a bit of a chat, and they could have said, "Oh, was that you know what these caravans like?" Anyway, we didn't. So again, a bit of a funny video, this one. So it's not, probably some people who are watching my channel first time, they come across and say, well, this guy's obviously just a bit sort of not right, because it's a bit off, bit all over the place video. Plus as well, what I didn't do was I didn't have my the lens set right, so I missed half my face off actually, which is not a bad thing as I walked around, because I've just been, although it's a wide angle lens, I'd been taking a couple of pictures previously, and I'd been zooming in, and I'd never taken the zoom off, so the wide angle wasn't on its widest angle, as it were. Alright, well, as I say, good luck with watching this one. As I say, it's not one of the best. It all started off intentionally what it was supposed to be like. I just got chatting to people, and I just sort of really forgot about taking videos, to be quite honest, and yeah, find out what caravans they'd had, and what was the oldest van they'd had, and all this sort of thing, and just getting feedback really off people, and a lot of people who watch the channel, so that's great. So thank you for everybody that watches, and also, as I say, those people I met on the site at Donkey Creek. Sorry I didn't get your names, the old minds that shot out the other way, but it was really good to meet you all, and I'd love to have spoken to more people if I'd have had the time. So anyway, without further ado, just watch this bit of a madcap video really. Not particularly well put together, but hey, see what you think, and yeah, far away. Hi and welcome just to a new video. Now I'm on a site, actually. This makes a bit of a difference to me, doesn't it? I'm on Donkey's Creek, and that's at Frettleton, just outside of Preston. Now I never knew this site existed, and it's only half an hour's drive from me at home, but I've just been talking to Hey Ho Here We Tow, David and Irene, and little Esther. Well, she's not so little, she's growing up big now, and we've had a good old chat today, and I've met a few people on the park, and fellow YouTubers, and they're going to do some. I think they're going to do some sort of organisation thing they're doing, and I just had to come down for a couple of hours and say hello. And this is what I'm doing now. It's quite windy, so you might get a bit of wind noise on the microphone, unfortunately, because I ain't got a wind cover for it. And I'm here with my granddaughter as well, little Olivia. She's been in Hey Ho's Caravan in their little disco, and she's enjoyed it. We had lemon cake and a nice cup of tea that Irene made, and they were very, very accommodating. And I've met a few people here. I've met a couple from Scotland, and we were just talking about dealers and things up there, and it's just been nice. It's just nice, friendly. I mean, I've not been on my way caravan for a good number of years now, and it's like, yeah, you think should be in it, but it's just been circumstances that have been really beyond my control, financially and everything really, so I've not been able to do it. So my caravan, as I say, is sat in its garage, but at least it is undercover. It's out of the way, it's out of harm's way. It's not sat on a storage site going green. It's just gathering dust which can be cleaned off, and I will be doing, hopefully, a video on how to do a proper wash and polish upon your caravan, and not sponsored by any manufacturers either, such as, like, you know, some of the main, like Autoglym or anything. I will just tell you what I use and what I think's good and what I buy with my own money, because I'm very careful what I buy, and it's got to be a good product for me to buy it again and to recommend it. If I don't like it, I don't get it again. And I've got about 40 odd at home anyway. I'm diversifying. But anyway, I'm here at Donkey's Creek, and it is a really nice site. Everything's laid out nicely. The pitches are all hard standing. We were talking before about pitches that's, you know, we like grass pitches, and I do, but if, of course, it's wet, there's nothing worse than a muddy pitch and grass clippings coming into the caravan. So yeah, I'm walking around the site here, and it's to say, it's all hard standing service pitches. Lovely day here. It's a Saturday bank holiday weekend, and it is good forecast for today. The next day too isn't as good, I'm afraid, but it could be wrong, because here on the Fylde coast we are lucky. The fact is, if we do get any rain, it usually clears pretty quick, but you go sort of another 20 miles inland and it can be raining all day, and here more to the coast it's fine. But the site's quiet, it's nice, people are friendly, just as you expect really. Right, we've got a fifth wheel here. I've forgotten who they said that was. Don't see many fifth wheels around. Been around their factory a few times over the years, done a few reviews on their product. I remember the first time I went to their factory, which would be about 2005, and the guy who owned it, I can't remember his name now, we actually took one of these out, and I took photographs of it going over down back roads and everything. It was quite incredible. I had to sort of stand at the side of a bridge and then sort of leap out as he came out to get the photograph, and yeah, crazy days really. But enjoyable. So I've been around the factory, and it was really, really well run. In fact, it was just very clinical for a factory. You could have had your lunch off the floor. Again, if I find the old photographs of them, I might put that on as a video. Right. I can't believe I'm 6:30, I'm still here. Here we go, probably been to bed and woken up again since I've been talking to people. My downfall is I just don't know what time and time exists, so yeah, I want to do a bit more of a walk around this site, but I'm not going to have time. It's 25 to 7. Wife's rung me up trying to find out where I'm at. Granddaughter will need feeding, so I'm going to have to shoot off. But it's been great just talking to people and stuff, and finding out what people want. Ah, you're right. So I'm on my way back. they've been and come back. They can't believe they've probably hidden away somewhere. I don't blame them. As David and Irene, they just can't believe I'm probably still here. As I say, it's probably about a bit of wind noise on this because we're heading into the wind. I'm going, honest. Scott chatting, that's my problem. Don't know when to stop. Lovely afternoon, isn't it? What can you say?
That's why God gave us mouths. That's why we love you so much on YouTube.
Oh, thank you. Well, you know that's one of my favourite bands.
Exactly. That's why we've got this band. That's why we've got it.
Yeah, Alpine to Alpine 4.
It was both reviews we watched because we didn't know whether to have a 2 or a 4.
Right. Yeah, well, it's either or either.
Yeah.
Both good.
Well, yeah, it was both we watched, and we went to see the 2. We went to Webb's all the way down in Reading.
Oh, crikey, yeah.
Salisbury, yeah.
Yeah.
We went all the way down there because they got both of them in at the same time, both 19.
Good to compare.
And, yeah, we went and we decided on the 4.
Brilliant stuff.
We've had it nearly 3 years now.
Good.
Nearly 3 years.
I'll just turn this off actually because it is being recorded. I don't know if you want to be recorded on there, but you are on there if that's okay. Well, that's just typical. I just got talking again. It's a lovely couple. We bought a Sprite Alpine 4 for 3 years ago from the Caravan place, and at Wolverhampton where Markies, and you all know that I like going down to Marks. I'm due to go down there again at some stage. Hang on, I've come to a bit of a halt here with the pram because it doesn't like. Oh, my granddaughter's had a long sleep. I think I've bored her to death actually. Now she's gonna go back. Her grandma's been ringing me and her mum's been ringing me. Where are you? Where are you? They know as soon as I get involved with anything to do with caravans and motorhomes, they can pretty much say goodbye to me. I've met some interesting, great people today. Now this vlog was going to be longer. I wanted to do more with David and Irene, but time has forever eluded. We've done a lot of chattering. We're going to do another meetup at some stage, and I'm going to sort of call a roll to this vlog. I mean, this site is a great site. We're just going to look around it, I say, but I must get going home and get this young lady back as well because enough's enough, and better get in touch with the wife, otherwise I will be in trouble if not already. Hang on. You see, that's what I do. Come on then. Right, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and thanks to everybody I've spoken to today. I didn't get your names, and I'm sorry about that, but I've really enjoyed talking to you. It's been a great afternoon for me, but I better go. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.